everyone, Josh from Windrush Campers. We're going to be unboxing a seat swivel from Vulcan Beds today. We actually got ours through Van and Bus, who make the stealth roof. So really well packaged. And as you open, you've got all the documentation. So you've got the seat belt anchor test and all the certificates. And then you've also got a fitting guide with the tools required for the job. So the seat swivel itself looks really well made. We fitted a few of these before from different companies, so we thought we'd try this one. And it looks similar in a way. So you've got all the safety labels. Sorry, it's upside down. So yeah, it looks good. We'll get it out of the box now. So comes with a fitting kit needed to secure it into the back. You've got these turn knobs all the way round, which will slide the seat. So all in all, looks really well. These do make the seat sit up quite high. We often have customers ask us to reduce the height of the double swivel. Now there are companies out there which will cut the double seat for you. This isn't something that we offer currently. So we'll show you this fitted in the van. So once your standard seat is removed, we need to basically make these, which were in the seat originally, tuck them under the floor. You want to make it as flat as possible, just to make sure they don't damage or they don't get damaged. So that's that, so it's safe for the swivel to sit on. We then need to remove these 4 bolts to gain access to put the seat on. So these are held on with 22mm fixings. It's quite difficult with one hand, but you get the idea. So all of these need to be removed. Which are then left with just the hole in the floor. We then want to bring the seat base into the van. Take out all of the fixing points, 2 at the front, 3 at the back. Slide the seat back. And this will allow you to line the seat base up with your existing brackets. The seat in place, we then want to put your 15mm nuts onto the front and then loosely screw the bolts into the back with the washers supplied. And we'll go ahead and tighten this up. We won't do one after the other, so we won't do this one, this one, this one, this one and that one. We'll do it in kind of spread pattern, so maybe this one, this one, this one, this one, just to keep the load even. Okay, so now all of the bolts are done up tight. We like to just check the seat swivel works before we fit the seat. Which it does lovely. So what we'll do, we'll put the seat back, put a couple of lock-in bolts in, just so it doesn't move when we want to put the seat back on. The standard seats back in, we recommend 2 people just to lift this in. It makes it a lot easier. We'll then go ahead and put the original bolts back on to secure the seat down and tighten all of those up. With the seat now secure, we can put it all back together. And then we can operate the seat swivel. So we want to take out the 2 nuts we put in earlier, just to allow the seat to swivel. Pop the seat base back, push the seat all the way back into the van, and then we can swivel the seat. So these are brilliant, they're so easy to work. You can swivel them. Now you can have them out into the van to give you an eating space once this has been converted. So then we can also push the seat back all the way back into the original seat swivel position, and this gives you a huge area at the front. And then same to put it back. So pull it out, twist it round, literally simple as that, and push it back in. Now from there we just want to wiggle the base just to line the holes up and put the locking screws back in. So with all the seat fixings back in place, you've got 2 under the front, and then you've got 3 on the back with a little metal cover that just makes it look a bit nicer. We'll go ahead and tidy this seat base up, just give it a quick clean, and then the seat swivel's ready to be used.